Hey guys, Jason here for ChartGuys doing a follow-up video on Roku. If you missed yesterday's video, I talked about how great ChartGuys is. It's a community of traders and technical analysts. And if you like charts and you want to learn how to read charts and how to react to potentialities, check us out, chartguys.com. Yesterday's video, I don't remember exactly how it went, but I suspect we talked a lot about our resistance level here at 134.88 and the fact that we needed to consolidate and establish a higher low on the hourly time frame at a minimum. Looks like we did that today, so let's go check that out. 5-minute time frame. Here's our pre-market. We got up to 134.49, got very, very close to that resistance level, and then we lost the 5-minute trend. So 5-minute trend means you're setting higher highs, higher lows. So here's a higher low, 132.85. Here's a higher high, a higher low, 133.61, a higher high, and then we just go mark that out. And you can see right before we opened, about 10 minutes, we lose that level. Bears start piling in. Why? Because we know we need to consolidate. And there's a big drive when we're overbought. We're overbought in the 5-minute time frame, probably on the 15-minute time frame. Yes, we were. And we have bearish divergence where our RSI is going down, our price is going up. And then we just get a lot of bear action in very short order, big volume coming through, oversold bounce. We established that higher low at 127.81, and then we have a nice healthy recovery, and bulls managed to stay up here for the duration of the day, which allows the 15-minute time frame to cool off into the 50s, and hourly time frame starts to come down from its overbought conditions, sitting nicely at 63.45. So now the question is, what happens next? We got a good idea, and we knew what we could expect coming into today. What can we expect going into tomorrow? Well, we are still in a 4-hour uptrend. We just established a new higher low on the 4-hour. So bears can go all the way down here. And I should say bulls can go all the way down to 127.81, and they will still be in control of this trend. It's quite a ways for us. We don't necessarily want to go down all that way, but we did establish that higher low. On the hourly time frame as well, we managed to establish that low at 127.81, and it's possible we managed to pull off another higher low at 131.65. Ultimately, what we need to do tomorrow or in pre-market is to take out 134.49. If we can do that, that means we've reconfirmed this hourly uptrend and things are going to be looking good for the bulls. The next step, of course, is going to be taking out that key daily level, 134.88, which is very, very close to that high day today. And then our next resistance is going to be 152. So going back to, let's go look at the 15-minute time frame. If we can break out of this EQ that we're seeing on the 5-minute time frame, actually, let's talk about this as if it was early morning tomorrow. If this is what we saw pre-market, what we'd be looking for would be a break of 133.75 or the low of our last push at 133.18. This would be an equilibrium, and the direction of the break likely would indicate the continuational direction of said break. Meaning if we broke bull, it's likely we're going to go and test and possibly break 134.49 and 134.88. If we can do that tomorrow, bulls will be in very, very good shape. I would like to see a breakout, a back test, and then upside continuation. If we cannot do that, we're at risk of losing a lot of trends. If we lose 131.65 and establish a lower high, likely we're going to come down and test 127.81. And if we lose that, no support down to 119.36. So we move pretty quickly, pretty fast, and we need to spend more time consolidating or alternatively just continuing this nice hourly uptrend that we have so far in place. Bulls have had a lot of opportunity to cool off. Let's see if we can continue. 134.88 is going to be the key resistance level for us to break, back test, and find some nice continuation. Ideally, I would like to see a breakout that looks like this, a nice back test with a hourly higher low, and then upside continuation. What that looks like, ultimately, we don't know, but we can make a assumption based on the key levels that we have, and that's really what technical analysis is all about. What can we expect to happen? What's most likely to happen? And how do we react to those changes? That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.